The 2025 Suzuki GS 500 is back, and it's better than ever. This isn't just a reissue. It's a modern reimagining of a classic, with enough updates to keep up with today's riders while staying true to its raw, minimalist roots. It's the kind of bike that reminds you why you fell in love with riding in the first place. Powered by a newly refined 487 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled parallel twin, the GS 500 delivers 48 horsepower and 43 newton-meters of torque. The engine is smooth, responsive, and tuned for real-world riding. Torquey down low, calm in the mid-range, and playful up top. It's not about crazy numbers. It's about usable performance that feels good every time you twist the throttle. The 6-speed transmission is crisp, and the addition of a slipper clutch makes downshifts feel more controlled, especially if you like late braking into corners. It's the kind of detail that doesn't scream for attention, but makes every ride a little more satisfying. The frame is still that same lightweight, confidence-inspiring platform, but Suzuki's added tweaks for better rigidity and comfort. Suspension has been upgraded with 41mm forks up front and a preload adjustable monoshock at the rear. It's not race spec, but it does exactly what it needs to, whether you're commuting, hitting twisty back roads, or just cruising through town. Braking is solid and predictable with dual piston calipers and 300mm discs up front, and ABS comes standard. It's not over-engineered. It's just right. Enough tech to keep you safe without getting in the way of the ride. The styling is familiar but fresh. Clean lines, a slightly sharper tank design, LED lighting all around, and a compact new LCD dash that gives you everything you need at a glance. Gear position, RPM, speed, and fuel. Nothing flashy, just the essentials. This isn't a bike built to impress on paper. It's built to ride. It's light, efficient, affordable, and more fun than it has any right to be. For new riders, it's forgiving. For experienced ones, it's a reminder that simple doesn't mean boring. The 2025 GS 500 proves you don't need rider modes, traction control, or an app to love your bike. All you need is a good engine, a solid chassis, and the open road ahead. Suzuki kept it real, and that's exactly what makes it special. Thanks for watching.